Inhlangano iSouth African Farmers Development Association KwaZulu-Natal ithi amathuba omsebenzi ahlale ekhuluma ngawo mengameli alele emkhakheni wezolimo.
It's critical that our government recognizes that job creation, any opportunity of job creation lies within the agricultural sector. We really are hopeful that our president will place emphasis in funding that sector even more deliberately just to create jobs.
Ukudlanga kobugebengu kuyakhathaza kakhulu KwaZulu-Natal, ama-CPF akhala ngokubonelelwa.
We are currently not employed, so we would like the president maybe to find means in terms of maybe stipends for the other guys.
Osomatekisi eWestern Cape bakhala ngamaphepha agunyaza ukusebenza kwamakhumbi abo.
Operating license esinawo nama application wethu operating license wethu application akhona ebhodini nakwa-city alele lapha kodwa awazi siwenziwe ukuthi mawaziphume ipermit zize kuthina sisi-aplayile athumela ama-traffic aphawunde zonke lezo moto siyazibhatala and ile industry inegalelo ekunciphiseni i-unemployment.
Enye intsha yaseKapa ithi uhulumeni kufanele uyihlomise ngamakhono ukubhekana neyinselele ezikhungethe lelizwe.
Especially communication, I have to differentiate, like speaking with the young people, speaking with the elder people, and also with my colleagues. And also time management, it helps me to balance multiple tasks at the same time and also know where can I meet the deadline.
Lolu hlelo selineminyaka eyishumi kanti yintsha engu-1200 eyingxenye yalo.
Catch-up program include things like professionalism, emotional intelligence, grit, resilience, organizational skills and planning.
Kumqoka ukuqeqesha intsha ngomsebenzi ezowenza.
I would hope that government would be able to allocate funding, not for compliance and oversight of certification, but really digging down into what the actual skill sets are that professions need and ensuring that our young graduates are actually trained for the actual work that they're going to need to do.
Intsha yase-Western Cape ithi ilangazelela ukuthi uhulumeni ayinike ithuba lokuzuza ulwazi ukuze ikwazi ukubhekana nezidingo zomsebenzi ezinkampanini uma isiqashiwe.